S.
Chris, you
I
should
didn't play
play.
much.
Nah,
I didn't play
real
much.
shit. I'm gonna be real right now. I have a Candy Crush account. And
Wait, right now?
Yeah, I've been playing
Oh
this
my
shit on the
god,
job.
bro! I swear, Mom Snaps on this bitch, bro. I am arguing with you, bro.
Nah, you're
We're having a
crazy. Marble
dialogue.
Snaps is tough. Real shit though. Candy Crush is actually tough because the gigabytes to download or whatever, it's like mad small.
I used to play it on like Facebook back in the day, so I
Shit's
didn't.
fun. But
I thought like a Facebook, like one of those Facebook games.
plus it's iconic and it's never gonna die.
It is. I put it as.
Never played.
What's that say?
Tony Hawk.
Oh yes, those games. You ain't a skater, ball. S, John. There we go. S. What did I say?
Scribble. Crazy.
Yes. I wasn't gonna have bro. Put it S. You want to have a dialogue so bad. Bro.
I was just saying, nigga, like.
I can say, like, you know that's just it's like calm down.
Injustice.
I said A. Oh my god! I remember we knocked out on this fucking game.
Us too?
I said A. I said A. Yeah.
Yeah. A.
That shit was funny as fuck.
B.
Nigga told me knocked, bro. Never played it.
B. No,
And
that's
this
C.
This is a DS game.
It's a D.
And it was like a C. Actually,
Yeah,
it was a C.
it's a C.
Because it wasn't that one.
It's a B.
I never played this. You played it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Did you like it? Like, nigga said it was like this shooter shit, something like that.
It is like fast paced, but I like fast pacing games. Like it's really fast paced.
That's an S. Actually, no. It's an A. It's A. I played a lot of Shadow. Lego games. S. What's that say? Oh yeah, S. Midway S. They made them go to Mortal Kombat games, right? I haven't played them. Skip. I haven't played it. Nope. Oh, whoa. S. I don't know. Actually,
Damn.
it was either S or A.
This is an A.
What's this? Team. Oh, that's an A. Actually, that's a S. Low key.
Wow.
That was a really fun ass game.
Counter Strike is an S.
I haven't played it. So.
A.
Left 4 Dead. That's A.
Relax, nigga. I'm not gonna say S.
I'm just saying, you want to start dialogue at one of these? I just know it. I just know
I'm just saying, like, relax. Delta 2.
There's no fucking small of a snap come up, boy.
Planes for Zombies, S.
That's S.
S. Crazy. You could be
I say
wherever you
A. I mean, yeah, but like, I say A. Just from my experience, I didn't play much of it. So.
Can you move it up to S? Nah, actually, no.
Yeah, you can. Yeah. Sim City. I played a little bit of it. It was cool. I said like a B.
Yeah, it's B. S.
S. S.
A. But
Not Need for Speed back in the day when.
Oh yeah, that's true. S.
I haven't played FIFA. S.
A.
No.
A. B.
Burnout. I haven't played Burnout.
No.
Mass Effects. Haven't played. Fall. I know niggas were on that shit.
B.
Like I seen a lot of niggas play that shit.
B for butt.
Yeah, you getting right.
Dead Space.
Skip. S.
Hi.
Do you want to start a dialogue or not? Like,
Mirror's Edge.
uh,
Skate.
so I say, oh, skate. That's skip. Skip. Skip.
Oh.
Ooh, S.
Damn, it's really S. I'm in the beginning
I seen
stages.
gameplay of that bit, bro. That's an S right there. Yeah, you really got it.
I'll
And the
put an
twist
A,
too.
bro. Nah, don't tell me nothing. Don't tell me nothing. No.
I don't know, my fault.
You say S though, for real?
S. That's a really good game.
Oh fuck this game. A.
Yeah, you can rank that shit. I don't play Battle
I
Royale.
can hate that game sometimes. I stopped playing it though, for real.
What does it say?
Sumo.
I don't know. I don't know.
A. Battlefront 2.
Yeah. Okay. It's Borderlands. That might be A.
You got that?
Yeah.
BioShock.
A.
Mhm.
I don't know.
S.
Oh no.
Mm.
S.
S. S.
S.
Haven't played it, but I know it's S.
I believe it. S.
Mm.
I haven't played this shit.
This really might be an S, but I haven't played that.
Yeah.
That... Ooh. Almost an
Mafia.
S. They fucked up on the last.
I said
one. A.
A. Max Payne. I said A. Yes.
Ah, you're crazy.
2K. Are we serious, John?
It's an A.
Niggas not serious. They can never understand the impact of 2K, bro. They won't be trolling.
I'm just a hating ass nigga sometimes. It's okay.
W2K. It's an A. They had a lot of stinkers.
It's a B though.
It's like an A or B. Yeah.
Not A. S.
I haven't played it.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait. That's a King of. Oh my god, yes, I'm going fast, bro.
My fault. It was this one.
What was that? What was it?
The King of Fighters.
Yeah, King of Five. Oh, that's an A. I just copped the classic pack 2. Oh my god, that's an A, bro.
Damn.
Was it?
Open up the
Wait,
eyes,
Fatal
nigga,
Fury.
you must be tired, nigga. Hey, this nigga's Unk, bro. Open up the eyes, Unk. Come on. Make it snap.
Fatal
chop.
Fury.
Come on, man,
Fatal Fury. Is that what? That's what the Street Fighter shit, right?
I don't even know this shit. No.
Yeah, we can just skip it.
We got 450 plus. What the fuck?
Yeah, we're almost done. Almost
Almost done my ass.
Ass, but I can skip.
Nigga, what? What did you just say? Capcom.
Oh, Capcom versus NSK.
The Witch. I heard The Witch is crazy.
I saw the show. I never played the games.
Cyberpunk 2077.
Ooh. I say.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess. Yeah.
League of Legends.
League of Legends.
Valorant.
I say A.
S. Rocket League.
S.
S.
I mean, niggas play it to this day, so like.
Pong.
I don't know. Skip.
Asteroids.
Skip.
Heavy Rain is really good.
Oh, that's an A.
Beyond Two Souls.
2 Souls. A. S. It's one of those.
Choke
S. Automatic S.
I need to play that.
Play it, bro.
Epic Mickey.
What did I say? I don't know. haven't played it.
You played it.
I know I don't play these Disney games.
Oh.
Club Penguin's a S. Skill. Smite. That's a B. A. It's one of those two. Skill. 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 Skip.
Oh,
S. S.
S?
That's these games were insanely
I gotta play the second one.
Games were insanely fun. Skip.
S.
The nigga trying to get me in Clash of Clans, bro. It's crazy time.
Yo, download Clash of Clans. I still gotta check my shit too. Clash Royale is fun too. S.
Oh yeah, I haven't played it.
Oh, Brawl Stars is good too. We should play Brawl Stars.
So S. Fruit S.
S.
S. S. S. S.
A.
I haven't played it. this. Oh, that's S. I don't play it.
B. Let's play.
Yep.
Agario.
Oh,
A.
that's the snake shit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's an S. Skip.
B.
I haven't played it. Hell no.
What the fuck is farming?
Skip.
B.
Ooh, I was trying to get you on this. Skip. S. Snake? Hold on.
Oh wait, no.
S. Hold on now, nigga. Like that skip, bro. VR chat. I say S.
Yeah.
Skip. I haven't played it. Skip.
Crazy.
I haven't played it, bro.
Right? That's crazy. You never played Worms.
S. Slither. There we go. Skip.
Super Meat Boy.
Skip.
That deserves to go to the last tier.
Skip.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
I say S. Skip.
Oh,
Yeah.
I want to.
Whoa, wait. Terraria. Well, that sounds familiar.
Terraria.
I might have played it. Look at that, we're almost done, bro. Like, come on. Almost done. I'm. It sounds familiar. I might have played it, but.
Put it at A.
Yeah, you can make it.
No.
Skip. Oh, well, hold on. Ghost Simulator. That was cool for like do not put an S, bro. Do not put an S. Do not put an S. I say like a B.
S.
A.
Oh.
Yeah, S is crazy.
B.
C.
C?
I mean.
Yeah.
A. A B?
Yeah.
Super. Oh, that's the one with like the gun. Oh, that was a. Yeah, that's a B. Skip.
S.
Yeah.
S.
Oh, that's an S. S.
Hello, name.
Skip.
S.
I say A.
S. You gotta play with people.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
No, I'm telling you, you got a full kitchen, bro. Shit gets crazy.
Beat Saber S.
Shit gets crazy. Yo, what the fuck is Beat Saber?
S, bro. It's like it's like you're like slicing through shit, but at the same time like a song is playing. So like every time you slice, it's like a beat playing. It's fun. It's like a beat option.
What's this one?
Skip.
Skip. S. I mean A.
S.
S?
Actually, no. Fall Guys fell off in the same year.
A. It's still fun.
I,
A. Skip.
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 Stick fight. Hold on.
Oh, Stick Fight the game? I don't think I played it.
I said like a beat. It's
So
cool.
no?
That's cool. That's cool. So
B.
B, John. Come on now. We don't got to start dialogue. Skip. 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 Skip.
S.
S. Skip. 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 Ooh, that's an A. Skip. That's an A. Can't even see that. Skip. Skip. S. It's a classic.
Skip.
Skip. Skip. Skip.
S.
Miss Slender. S.
Oh, S.
Oh. S.
Skip.
Skip. Skip. Skip.
Phasmophobia A.
A.
80s? You play 80s?
Skip. 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 Splatoon. I never played it, but like I seen gameplay. It looks whatever. I'm surprised how many don't knows we did. Nah, we not real gamers, bro.
Nah, you're crazy. Look at the S.
S is elite.
Nah,
I'm surprised
52%.
there was no.
Though, we're damn near 50%, bro. That's 450 plus.
That shit. Man. I'm surprised was there any in D?
Any what?
Was there any in the D tier? Like, did we put any games?
Yeah, I think I put some like.
Oh, it was E. But we put an F.
Super Meat Bros.
I thought you skipped that shit. I don't see nothing wrong with this list.
Yeah, this is valid.
Yeah.
I think maybe Gang Beasts should be a Madden should Madden should go up.
I think with Madden, like,
Nah, Madden's tough though. Madden's
I was never a Madden fanboy like that.
Yeah, every time you play a Madden though, that shit's tough back then.
Yeah. I know there was a game where like you were like, bro, you could like injure niggas, use needles, and like it was a football game. That game was.
Probably talking about Street.
Oh, bro. Yeah.
But if y'all enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, man.
This nigga's tired as hell.
Yeah, I know, bro. I'm kind of tired as fuck. Cause I've been doing this without no water too.
No water, bro. Wait, you ate chips, no bev?